This video demonstrates the installation of your tablet PC into the Arc Voyager case for in-home remote monitoring. Your Arc Voyager was shipped with a power cord, a shoulder strap, and a bag of 5 screws. You will also need your tablet computer and a Phillips screwdriver. Lie the Arc Voyager case down so the screen faces up. Unlatch the 2 black clasps to open the case. Gently remove the black foam liner and the plexiglass screen cover and set them aside. Take care not to scratch the plexiglass screen. Remove the foam or cardboard spacer and discard it. This piece is no longer needed. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the 6 exterior screws from the metal frame to disconnect it from its base inside the case. Set the screws aside for later use. Place the tablet computer face down on the table next to the case closest to the visible cable ends. Pick up the metal frame from inside the case and flip it over toward the tablet computer. The 5 recessed screw holes must align with the screw holes on the back of the tablet. Use the Phillips screwdriver to attach the tablet to the frame with the 5 screws provided. Carefully flip the metal frame and tablet over and return the frame to its proper position inside the case. Take care to avoid pinching the cables between the frame and its base. Align the 6 external screw holes and replace the 6 screws. Attach the power cord, USB-C, and USB-A cords from the Voyager case to the tablet PC. Refit the plexiglass screen cover, making sure it is properly aligned with the camera, microphone, and function buttons, and fit it over the metal frame's alignment tabs. Place the foam liner into the case lid, making sure it is properly aligned with the function buttons. We find it easier to place it in the lid than lay it down on the plexiglass screen cover. Latch the black clasps to secure the case shut. Attach the power cord to the right side of the case. The excess cable can be secured in the cable holder. Attach the shoulder strap to the silver D-rings on both sides of the case. Your Arc Voyager tablet installation is now complete. See the remote monitoring instructions document provided with your Arc Voyager for instructions on configuring the Arc Voyager tablet computer with your Arc software and Arc Apollo Plus EEG devices.